The E9 error code on your Hisense dehumidifier is a critical alert that requires immediate attention. This error specifically indicates a malfunction in the unit's heating system. To understand what this means, we need to look at how a dehumidifier actually works. The heating system plays a crucial role that many people don't realize. Here's what happens inside your dehumidifier. Moist air enters the unit and passes over cold evaporator coils. As the air cools, moisture condenses and drips into the water collection tank. But here's the problem. In cooler environments, these evaporator coils can freeze up with ice. When this happens, the dehumidifier becomes ineffective and can even be damaged. This is where the heating system comes in. The heater's job is to defrost these frozen coils, melting away the ice so the dehumidifier can continue working properly. When the E9 error appears, it means this critical heating system has malfunctioned. The dehumidifier will automatically shut down to prevent further damage to the unit. There are four main causes of the E9 error. First, the heater element itself may be faulty or burned out, preventing it from generating the heat needed for defrosting. Second, a defective temperature sensor can cause the E9 error. This sensor tells the control system when defrosting is needed, and if it fails, the heating cycle won't activate properly. Third, wiring issues within the heating circuit can prevent power from reaching the heater. Loose connections, damaged wires, or corroded terminals can all cause this problem. Finally, the control board that manages the heating process can malfunction. This electronic brain coordinates all the dehumidifier's functions, including the defrost cycle. Ignoring the E9 error can lead to serious consequences. Without proper defrosting, ice will continue to build up, reducing the dehumidifier's effectiveness and potentially causing permanent damage to internal components. Understanding the E9 error is the first step toward fixing it. In the next section, we'll walk through the step-by-step troubleshooting process to identify and resolve the specific cause of your heating system malfunction. Now we'll walk through the systematic troubleshooting process to diagnose and fix the E9 error. Follow these steps carefully for safe and effective repair. Step 1 is critical for safety. Always unplug the dehumidifier from power before beginning any troubleshooting. This prevents electrical shock and protects both you and the appliance. Step 2 involves a thorough visual inspection. Look for obvious signs of damage on the heating element, such as burns, cracks, or breaks. Also check for any loose or damaged wiring. Step 3 focuses on the electrical connections. Examine all wiring to the heater and temperature sensor. Ensure connections are tight and free from corrosion. Loose connections are a common cause of the E9 error. Step 4 requires a multimeter to test the heating element. Set your multimeter to measure resistance. A properly functioning heater should show continuity. An open circuit reading indicates a faulty heater that needs replacement. Step 5 involves testing the temperature sensor. Use your multimeter to measure the sensor's resistance and compare it to the manufacturer's specifications. An out-of-range reading indicates a faulty sensor requiring replacement. Step 6 addresses control board problems. If both the heater and sensor test normally, the issue likely lies with the control board. This requires professional diagnosis and repair due to the complexity and specialized equipment needed. Step 7 is a final reset attempt. Unplug the dehumidifier for 30 minutes to allow a complete system reset. If the error persists after all these steps, contact Hisense customer support or a qualified appliance repair technician for professional assistance. You have now completed all 7 troubleshooting steps for the Hisense Dehumidifier E9 error. Remember to always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed.